Hey, this is Nick with the Happengroup again. Today I'm going to show you how to remove surface molds found on drywall. Before we start, according to the EPA, if you have more than 10 square feet of mold, you probably want to seek professional assistance in removing it. A couple items you may need: some gloves, mask, goggles, brush, lysol cleaner, detergent, and some towels. Also, you will need a fan and a HEPA vacuum. First thing you want to do, put on your safety equipment. Then after that, open up a window for ventilation. Next, you want to take the HEPA vacuum and begin to gently clean the mold from the walls. You want to use a HEPA vacuum because it's capable of trapping very small particles like mold spores, and they won't get dispersed in the air. Then you can apply the detergent solution to your brush or whatever you're using to scrub the wall. Then begin to rub the area until it becomes visibly clean. Afterwards, you want to dry it with a paper towel or some kind of cloth. At this point, you can apply the Lysol wipes to it. The important thing at this point is to make sure you've taken care of the moisture issue. If you have not, the mold will just come back. After, just place a fan next to the wall to allow it to dry for 24 hours. After that, just assess the wall to make sure it's dry and repaint as necessary. One thing to remember, again, if the moisture has been taken care of, the mold will not regrow. Alright, thank you for watching. Always feel free to subscribe for more videos.